Yeah. So, okay, guys, we're here with Didi and Jiju, and me and Abhishek and the husband Anirudh Isnali. We have some special thing for them, and I hope they really like it. And all this has come from far, far, far away. So let's play it now.
So it started with putting up 15 years of memories. Hello. Everybody, do I have attention? Do I have your attention? Okay. So let's see their 15 years rolling past your eyes. So what we did here is we took their pictures from places they know and places they don't know. We have created a deck of memories. So let's get it rolling for you.
You might
DJ, I'm ready to roll.
Yes, that she is.
So while we were doing this, we felt this is a bit too boring.
And bit too conventional.
Very, very conventional.
Yeah, that's
so what we
true.
thought is,
Let's add some
This is-
twist to it.
yeah, so this was the anticipated thing. Now what we added is more fun.
Yes.
That is not anticipated.
देखो तो
So people wanted to wish you. We have a lot more people on the board.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मिली और अजय, तुम दोनों को अपनी शादी की 15वीं सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो।
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों मिली और अजय, तुम दोनों को क्रिस्टल एनिवर्सरी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। ईश्वर करे तुम दोनों की जोड़ी सदा सलामत रहे, जिंदगी भर तुम लोगों को ईश्वर खुशियां दे और खुश रहो। मैं यहीं से तुम लोग का दोनों का टीका कर रही हूँ, ये स्वीकार करना और ईश्वर की ब्लेसिंग्स भी स्वीकार करना।
Hi Millie and Ajay, happy marriage anniversary to you. May God bless you.
शादी की सालगिरह पर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं दे रही हूँ। मेरा बहुत बहुत तुम दोनों को आशीर्वाद है। मैं नोएडा से नानी बोल रही हूँ।
Dear Millie and Ajay, wish you a very very happy anniversary. Your anniversary has a special remembrance for me as well, because I remember that was my first leave that I had taken in the army. I had come down specially for your marriage from Kargil, so that still remains as a special day for me. Once again, wish you both a very very happy wedding anniversary.
Anniversary, and wish you good luck and good wishes in your life and happiness also.
Happy anniversary, Millie Didi and Jiju, with lots of love.
Dear Ajay and Millie, wish you a very happy crystal anniversary. God bless you and enjoy the day.
Hi Millie and Ajay, I wish you happy anniversary with love, peace and prosperity. Bye.
Hi Millie Didi and Jiju, wishing you a very happy crystal anniversary. May your love go stronger in years to come until infinity, and loads of love from Vedika. Bye bye. See you. Bye.
Dear Millie, dear Ajay, I still remember 12th of February last year we were together. I cherished that day and I wanted that I could have been with you on your anniversary which is a very special anniversary this year also. May God bless you. I wish you very happy and successful life and happy life ahead. Bye.
Hi Millie. Hello जीजा जी. Happy anniversary. Hello Navish. Navish hello कर लो. बुआ को hello कर दो. We wish we could be there, लेकिन once again many returns of the day. Happy anniversary once again.
Hi Ajay and Millie, wishing you a very happy anniversary. I am also quite happy that you share the same date as ours.
Happy anniversary, the bold and the beautiful.
So while we were doing this, I thought everybody would get bored. So we added a little bit of more spice. So yeah, I like the spice as soon as she's back. So we added a little bit of more spice and a little bit of more fun so that everybody else also can connect. Here you go.
It's amazing how you can swing right to my heart. Without saying a word, right up the dark. Try with me, they can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You say this and you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, drown out the crowd. Try as they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. Smile on your face.
Okay, so I think a couple of people told me that you didn't know a lot of them. So that ends here. You know them. And the people whom you didn't know are going to tell some incidences about them. So enjoy.
Hi Shilpi, hi Ajay.
Hi,
Hello all the way from India here.
wishing you both a very happy 15th wedding anniversary.
Same here, I dressed up specially for this video. Look at my shirt and my tie, and I shaved and I got all dressed up. Thank God I didn't let Dipali color my white hair. Otherwise I did everything else. So happy 15th wedding anniversary.
Wishing you lots and lots of love and happiness, and may you continue to celebrate and have lots of adventure, lots more fun.
Cool, same from my side. Okay, chalo, bye bye.
इस अवसर पर मैं आप सबको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि मुझे वो
Okay, so the secrets are going to come out if you pay attention to this video. There are some secrets in this. And the name of the secret is...
अक्सर इसकी मेरी मम्मी के साथ अपनी रहा करती थी और मम्मी को जैसे कोई काम हुआ तो मम्मी कहती थी इसकी मेरे को संबोधित करके कि लीजिए इनको पकड़िए इनको पकड़िए। तो ऐसे ही एक बार हम लोग बाजार गए हुए थे, मैं और मिली बाजार गए हुए थे, तो वहां पे किसी दुकान पे खड़ी हो गई है और फिर मेरे से बोलती है इनको पकड़िए इनको पकड़िए। इतनी छोटी थी वो ये नहीं समझ पाती थी कि इनको का क्या मतलब है। इफ माई वाइफ इज टेलिंग मी इनको पकड़िए, दैट मीन्स समथिंग एल्स, अदरवाइज शी थॉटेड कि इनको मीन्स इट इज शी, इनको।
इतनी दूर रह के इस समय मैं बहुत इमोशनल हो रही हूँ। अगर मैं अमेरिका में होती या तुम इंडिया में होते तो इस ओकेजन पे जरूर मिलते, पर मेरी शुभकामनाएं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हैं। इस मौके पे मुझे एक इंसिडेंस याद आ रहा है। जब मिली करीब 1 साल की थी तब हम लोग गोरखपुर में थे, तो ये बहुत इसका वेट अच्छा था, सब बच्चों में अच्छी लगती थी। तो वहाँ पे एक बेबी शो हुआ था। बेबी शो में जब सारे फॉर्म वगैरह भर गए तो टेबल के ऊपर कुछ प्राइजेज रखे हुए थे। ये मेरी गोदी में से इतनी तेज उतर के भागी और वहाँ से एक प्राइज उठा के ले आई। बाद में पता चला कि वो फर्स्ट प्राइज था और इसको ही फर्स्ट प्राइज मिला था। तो ये शुरू से ही हर क्षेत्र में आगे रही है और फर्स्ट आने की कोशिश में रही है। अपने स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, फंक्शंस में, प्रोग्राम में हमेशा ये फर्स्ट आई है। मैं चाहती हूँ आगे भी ये हमेशा हर फील्ड में फर्स्ट आती रहे और जीवन इसका हमेशा सफल रहे।
Hello Millie Didi and Jeeja ji, wishing you both a very happy anniversary. I still remember the time during your wedding because it was almost for the first time I was being a sali, so I enjoyed the rasm of jute churana and all, and only during those years we had enjoyed those times, so it was always a memorable occasion for me. So here's wishing you both a very happy anniversary. You both are an ideal couple, a bold and beautiful kind of a couple to everyone. Wishing you many more such wonderful and lovable years ahead in life. All the best.
Hi Shilpi and Ajay, wishing you both a very happy wedding anniversary. Well, we met a couple of years ago as neighbors, then we became good friends, and over the years we've become more than family. Shilpi, we've had so much fun together. We've raised our kids, we've gone on vacations, all the evening tea, midnight snacks, drinks, gupshup, parties, clubbing, what more can I think of? Lots and lots of fun over the years. You've been my sister, my partner in crime, my soulmate, and I really miss the fun times we've had together. But today I'd like to wish you lots and lots of love, God's grace, and may you always achieve the best in life. Keep chasing your dreams, keep living on, and keep having fun. Really looking forward to meeting you soon and to have some more fun together. Thank you and wish you a very happy wedding anniversary again. Bye. Hi Shilpi and Ajay. This morning I was reading the newspaper and I read a quote about marriage, and I'm sure Ajay will agree with me that marriage is a relationship in which one person is always right and the other is the husband.
Anniversary.